It's what I said before about the war thing. All right, men, this is it. Technology versus old-timey wooden stuff. Let's hit them hard.
What, again, was the nature of your beef with them?
I don't know, something about a roller coaster. Let's go!
Apples, fire! Quilters, advance!
I bet this hurts so much!
Oh, damn it! I'm bleeding! Oh, now it's an AIDS quilt.
Suck on this, you furry little weirdos! Enough of this crap! Ezekiel! Call off your boys and let's you and me finish this man-to-man!
Indeed, prepare for a goodly beating.
Dad, stop! Leave him alone!
Father, what are you doing?
I am going to kill that man!
That man is my girlfriend, Meg. This is against everything our people stand for. Will you listen to me for one moment? You were so worried about these outsiders coming